Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the Sony TV that has Google TV. So the first thing we should do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode when it's blinking 3 colors, blue, red, green right here, okay? So both the buds are in the case. Let's open these up and let's see that LED light. So I'm getting a solid green light here, and then it goes off. I don't get those 3 colors. So let me manually put this into pairing mode for myself. I look on the back here, you got a little button right there. I'm gonna press and hold for 5 seconds and wait till those 3 colors appear on here, okay? So button here, ready to go. Press and hold, now keep holding, just wait. Still holding, wait. Oh, green, red, blue, there it is. Now go ahead and let go. And now it's in pairing mode. Now leave it just like this. Now shoot over to your TV, go directly to your settings. So you can click on the settings on your remote if you have that. If not, just go to the home page and just go to the gear icon. Quick settings right there. Let me select that. And then I'm just going to go to all settings. The left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Let's select that. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? Now you can see under accessories, you can see I have a lot of other headphones and earbuds that's paired to this TV, but we want to pair these ones as well and connect right now. So we're going to do pair accessory. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode, it's blinking those 3 colors, and now we just have to wait till it finds it. It found it right away. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, just make sure it's highlighted. Select OK on the remote. It's pairing. We should get a pairing request here shortly. There it is. It's highlighted on pair ready. I'm going to OK that, and we're going to wait for it to connect. Okay, it looks like it's starting to connect there. Paired. We're connected, ready to go. And then if you look down here, you can see the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. It says connected right there. So pretty simple. If you have any issues connecting these or whatnot, just comment below, all right?